Hi natural hair queens, it's Justena Elise, and today we are going to do a get ready with me. I am a natural hair product reviewer, hairstyler, and a makeup vlogger. So if you're interested in seeing this makeup look today, just keep on watching. Just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. primer to prime my face. Then I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. Now I'm not the best eyebrow shaper, but I'm going to try my best. And I'm also going to clean up with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This always does me right when I mess up my eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with my fingers and then go in to see if I missed any places. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids because I am going to do a pink eye look that I want to really stand out. And then I'm going to go in and use my e.l.f. primer to prime them a little bit more after I have primed them with concealer. This is the palette I'm going to use today. I'll start off with a light base color, transition color first, and then I'm going to go in and go a little pinker. So, my eyes can gradually go from a light color pink to a more bright pink. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease on both eyes, and then I'm going to go in with a more bold pink, and this is just going to make my eyes pop, guys. This look today was so cute, and I loved how the pink just popped all the way through. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my eyeliner and my mascara, and then finally I'm gonna start with my face with my favorite foundation, the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I love this foundation, especially for the winter. So moisturizing. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. I'm using two concealers in this. I'm using my NYX and my L'Oreal. My L'Oreal is just to brighten up my under eyes, and then the NYX is to basically hide my bags. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder and deep, I think it is. And then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight and contour with my Wonder Stick, and go ahead and blend all that highlight and concealer in. Next, I'll go ahead and set my whole entire face, and then I'll go in with my bronzer. I'm using the BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face, guys. I think bronzer is like literally one of my favorite makeup products, guys. I'm gonna contour my nose as well and go ahead and blend that in. Then I'll go ahead and do some highlighting. Highlight those cheekbones, the forehead, and the nose, and then go ahead and put on my blush for today. I'm looking good, y'all. I'll go in and do my lips. I'll line my lips first with this brownish liner, and then I'll go in with a nude colored lip from NYX. And this is my final look. Guys, if y'all made it this far in the video and y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe. And natural hair queens, remember that you look blessed. Bye, guys.